I didn't think restoring stuff like this would be this easy.
This is the Beam Bright Plastic and Vinyl Restorer, and it works on just about everything. Car trim, dashboards, wheels, patio furniture, RVs, wrought iron chairs, barbecue grill covers, and anything else you can think of. The first thing that I hit was the truck mirrors. They were chalky, grayed out, just tired. One swipe and it was instantly black again. Same thing with the dashboard. No shine, no depth, just dull. Now it looks new. Even used it on my parents' shutters, years of sun damage, and they came back to life. What makes this different? It doesn't just coat the surface. It revitalizes faded plastic, vinyl, and rubber by deeply penetrating the material. It protects for up to 6 months under normal conditions. It blocks harmful UV rays to prevent cracking, fading, and browning. It's extremely hydrophobic, so water and grime just roll right off. And it leaves behind a durable sealant layer that locks in the restoration and extends its life. There's even a QR code on the bottle if you want a quick demo while you work.
Beam Bright's got your plastic and vinyl covered.
Be bright, simple care.